Senator Bong Revilla has no more pending cases before the Sandigan Bayan. The anti-graft court ruled in favor of Revilla's demurrer to evidence, junking the last 16 counts of graft cases in relation to the Priority Development Assistance Fund or the pork barrel scam. It was an answered prayer for the senator. According to the Special First Division, there was insufficiency of evidence. In December 2018, the Sandigan Bayan acquitted Revilla of plunder. In the graft case, the decision had 3 out of the 5 justices ruling in favor of Revilla. Revilla asserted he was never involved in graft and corruption. The Sandigan Bayan also dismissed the case against attorney Richard Cambe, Revilla's former chief of staff, by reason of death. Cambe died while detained at the New Bilibid prison in April 2021. The court, however, denied the dismissal of the case against Janet Lim Napoles.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.